like taking the certification is not that much hard.
Any stream can learn SAP, right?
Yes.
How you started your career in SAP? What roadmap you followed?
Where like what is SAP? I was completely new.
So what are your tips and tricks for like to crack interviews?
Don't need to also purchase the term. Some they will ask the money.
As far as know, I can expect around 12 lakhs per annum. Is that right? So I saw that you are SAP MM consultant and you started your career as SAP MM as a fresher from a different stream. So your story is like a little inspiring for me. So just we'll do some podcast about SAP MM, how to crack jobs, how to crack interviews, and how to like the roadmap and everything. So before that, just introduce you to my followers and subscribers.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Ayushi Agnihotri. I have done graduation in BTech CSE in June 2024.
So what is your undergraduate like education? So what which stream you are in?
I have done graduation in BTech CSE, Computer Science and Engineering.
Which year passed out?
June 2024. 1 year.
So you started your career as a SAP consultant after finishing your bachelor's, right?
Yes.
So what is the magic between this your 2024 like after you finishing your bachelor's and then starting your career? So what's the magic? What magic happened in between this? How you started your career as SAP?
Basically, during my campus placement, you can say. So I was placed from the college itself with two offer letters in my hand, but
Okay.
due to the business condition and the company requirement, they
Mhm.
don't allow me to join that company.
Okay.
So offer, you can say my offer was removed.
Okay.
So that time I was doing the internship on that company itself, which was
Okay.
providing me the internship plus full-time
Okay.
opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
But they, at the end of my 1 month before completing the internship, they inform us that we cannot offer you the full-time opportunity.
Okay. That's
So we started applying off campus.
so yeah.
So then I got this opportunity to enter in the new technology that I was not completely aware, like what is SAP. I was completely new
So yeah, here I
because
have one question. So as a CSC graduate, so you will have a lot of knowledge about coding like C, Java, Python, and you have HTML. So you have a lot of knowledge about these codings. Even though there is no practical knowledge, you have a lot of theoretical knowledge. So why didn't you thought about like implementing your coding language in the real world? Why is SAP? It's completely like non-coding field and it's a completely different field from what you studied.
yes, you are right. And during the campus placement, as well as entering in the first year as a college student, I also want to get placed in a best company so that, like, doing the coding, participating in hackathon, and
Yeah.
doing everything possible way so that I can place in a better company.
Okay.
But once my offer was removed, then
Mhm.
I think like it's time to switch the
Okay.
technology itself because AI is coming itself. So coding is no more, and development for front end development is already taken by the many website. They are providing the user case interface. So simply you have to put the like what type of interface you want.
Mhm.
So no
Yes.
need of the coder there
Okay.
also.
Yeah. Who said about the roadmap to SAP MM? So you are now working as SAP MM consultant. So what roadmap you followed?
Yeah. So when started applying during the last month of my internship, then I get the opportunity to enter in the SAP field through the recruiter call. I got get to know about the ASR digital company in Noida itself. So I gave the interview, then got selected. After that interview, the company itself provided us the SAP Learning Hub as well as the seniors are there
Mm-hmm.
who used to teach us and guide us like how the SAP is helping the businesses, what is the real impact of that. That motivate me and you can say like gave interest for me to learn and understand the things.
Any stream can learn SAP, right?
Yes.
So even like BPC students, even like pharma students, and any students can learn, right?
Yeah, if you have interest and if you have a passion, then you can easily, not SAP, you can learn anything.
Yeah, but now the demand for SAP is like growing, continuously growing. So many clients or many customers are using SAP. That's why many are
Yes.
interested in SAP, especially in MM. So what else modules now other than SAP MM?
Other than SAP MM, I know SAP SD also. I'm also certified in SAP SD. During my training, the seniors gave us the training for SAP SD. Then I got to SAP MM.
So then, yeah, my again one interesting question is how did you manage to do certifications? Is that really hard or like so? What are the tips and tricks for my followers?
No, like taking the certification is not that much hard, but I would say once you start working on the real time project and started applying, that is hard because
Okay,
in a certification you have to simply attend the MCQ, that
yeah.
is the theoretical exam.
But there are a lot of confusing MCQs. Like we have a lot of like
Yes,
almost 60 to 80 questions, so it's a lot
80
confusing.
question.
So,
Yeah,
do you have any tips for like how to crack SAP exams?
yeah, so first of all, I would say like go through the learning hub, each
Mm-hmm.
and every point, whatever mentioned. Then after once you study the learning hub, then MCQs are there.
Mm-hmm.
That is sort type of exercise. Once you
Okay.
finish the learning up, try to revise that. Then
Mm-hmm.
simply go to the Google and
Mm-hmm.
search like the code, the code, the exam that you want to appear. So they will give you the sample question.
Yeah.
So try to attempt that. That give you the confidence. After
Yes.
that, once again revise and give the exam. That
So
what
then,
I follow.
yeah, this is called we call it like a dump question. So if you
Yeah.
go to Google and search for dump questions for the question ID, so most of the questions come directly from internet. But yeah, if you learn them, so yeah, as you mentioned, we will get a lot of confidence.
Yeah,
So I
you
have,
don't need to also purchase the term. Some they will ask the money.
yeah,
Like
but no
one to
need.
ten questions are free, so you will at least get the idea. Okay, this type of question will
Yeah,
come, so
this
you
is
can
one of the
prepare.
strategy also. 10 questions from different websites. Yeah, like you can do
Yeah.
all the answers, question and answers. And one more question. So may I ask you one personal question? So how much your package now?
And now currently my package is 3.6.
But as a fresher in SAP, so now you have a really very good package. Even though it is a starting package, it's very good package. So how much you are expecting when you switch from like after 1 year to other company?
Currently, I'm not trying to switch because the current in my current company, the growth and the learning environment is very good. So I try to switch after 2 or 3 years.
So yeah,
So
so how do you see your future after 2 years or 3 years? Where do you see
uh,
yourself?
I will see like I will get the better opportunity from here itself so that I can grow in more better way and align in more like outside the projects that
Like
really helps
freelancing?
me. Yeah.
So yeah, maybe I can say I can assume that after 2 or 3 years, like if you continue to like work on this SAP MM projects and along with SD projects, maybe as far as no, I can expect around 12 lakhs per annum. Is that right?
Actually, I was not aware about like how much the package they will give after 2 or 3 years. But yeah, I'm expecting more than that.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. What else you want to say? So if someone wants to learn SAP,
I would say like go through the learning up and not like simply mug up the theory. Try to connect the things with the real life scenario, real connect of business. You
okay,
try to find the why we need this and why any business should add this functionality in their
okay,
business.
okay. So what exactly SAP MM do?
SAP MM is a kind of like a gathering, like simply I can take one example of cafe. One cafe is there. They need
Mhm.
for making the coffee. They need raw materials. So at that particular exact timing, like suppose 100 customer came and
Mhm.
there is a shortage of raw material. That thing will not happen. So
Okay.
managing of the raw material and purchasing at the right time. In
Mhm.
simple word, we can say that.
Okay. So, what else other than like these SAP skills? What skills one can need like in order to get a job in SAP?
I would say like a job in SAP, you would aware about the basic, the graduation, whatever the graduation you have done. Like you have done the graduation in finance, then you can go for SAP FICO is there. Sales side, then SAP SD is there. And for technical background, also ABAP and BTP is there.
Okay.
So simply get whatever, where are you currently, try to give the best on that, and then
Mhm.
you can easily get.
If interviewer asks, so how, why do you want to switch your career from like a CSC background to like SAP? So what is the answer?
Answer like it depends from person to person. So I would say like you can simply say I want to explore more and more technology as I know the technical background and
Mhm.
I have learned listen about more word like SAP, everyone say SAP. So I want to explore that field also.
Okay. So do you have any other like interview tips like how can we crack some interviews in India? So like nowadays, like even degree candidates also want to do switch to SAP, and even plus someone did like for distance education also they also want to do some SAP. So what are your tips and tricks for like to crack interviews?
I would say, like for cracking any interview, first tip is whatever you have written in your resume,
Mhm.
try to write what you know.
Mhm.
Means like don't fake anything, like you have done this certification, and when the interviewer asks the question, then you don't know anything. First of all, try to prepare the resume. Then try to understand the basic thing about the SAP, like full form of SAP, when was founded, and then
Mhm.
you can easily crack because from the fresher level na, they will not expect you to understand the whole world because
Okay.
SAP is very big.
So yeah, that's what I'm also saying to my followers and subscribers and my friends also, those who want to crack interviews, just learning some basics and like understanding the business. So how business is working. So like these functional models are working. So that's if you know that it's possible to crack. So I have one more like interesting question. Is it possible to put some fake experience and get jobs in India? In SAP, especially in SAP.
I don't think so.
You have any other inputs or any other like information to share?
No, not all things are covered.
Okay, thank you so much for this one. I hope has a SAP fresher, so many got some information from this video. Yeah, if there is still if there are some questions, they comment on, we can connect again and we can answer them. So if you're okay, thank you so much for
Thank
the
you.
thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much,
much.
thank you so much for your time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for this day I live in. Constant learnings to keep me thriving. For challenges that make me